Okay, these are the most common functions which are used in the financial calculations. You can see that there are more than 350 functions which are classified into 10 different categories. Later on, when we properly start our course, that is the financial management in Microsoft Excel, we will go through these different functions, but the most commonly used are sum, average, etc. So start it from the sum. This function is used to add the values within a given range. You can see in this example, if the A1 is equal to 10 and A2 is equal to 20 and A3 is equal to 2, so we can sum this, the answer would be 32. So how we do it in an MS Excel, the formula is equal sum and then consider, then select the those values which are given in the Excel, in the cell. In this case, we can see that the value in given cells are A1 is equal to 10, A2 is equal to 20, and A3 is equal to 10. So if you are interested to sum this number of observation, formula is equal SUM, and then you can see that this formula is asking for the values in which you are interested to calculate. So these values are A1, the values are given in A1, A2 and A3. Similarly, if there are more values, you can go on selecting the range. So I enter it. You can see that it adds this value that is equal to 32. I'm intentionally considering a very few observation. The benefit of considering very few observation is that it help you in calculating these values even without using MS Excel, and this is the confirmation. So the second function which is mostly used is the average. By average we mean that it add the given value, that is 10, 20 and 2. So 10, 20 and 2, if we add it, it is the 32. So the formula of average is plus this value and divide it by the number of observation. So 32 divided by 3 is equal to 10.67. The formula is average, and then select the particular cell where you are interested to find out the range. So how we do it in MS Excel? Let's do it in MS Excel. Formula is equal AVERAGE, and now select those observation, enter it. You can see that it found out the answer, that is the 10.67. We can reduce the number of values that come after the decimal from here also, but I'm interested to teach you another way also, that is to teach this by using the function. The third common function which might help you, which you may need it sometime, that is the count. This function is used to measure the number of observation in a given range. In this case, the number of observations are 3, 1, 2 and 3. But when we will work on the data, sometime you might be having 10,000, 50,000 number of observations, so then it takes too much time if you count in this way, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the easiest way is to let me write here the function that is count. The formula is equal COUNT. For example, you are interested to find out the number of employees. You have the data of the employee and you want to measure the number of employees, so you can do it by this way, count and then select those values. Now these observations are 3. Now you can see the answer is also 3. Similarly, if you are interested to find out the maximum value in the given observation, the function, for example, in case of you are interested to find out the highest cost in case of production. For example, we are doing a production and we are interested to find out the highest cost on a different ingredient. So each ingredient have their own value, so we are interested to find out the maximum, the highest value. In this case, I I make it very simple. We have the 3 observation, 10, 20 and 2. The highest value is the 20. You can see the answer that will be 20. Formula for this is equal max and then consider the particular range. Now let's do it in the MS Excel. We are interested to find out the maximum value in the given observation. So press this equal and MAX. Now select the values. These are the 3 values. Highest value is the 20. You can see the answer is 20. Similarly, if you are interested to find out the minimum value, we may have different scenario. For example, we want to find out we have assigned the target cells to our team, and we are interested to find out a person or an employee who have the most minimum sales. So for this purpose we can use the minimum function. The formula is MIN and then select the range. In this case the minimum value is 2. You can see the result. Now let's do it in MS Excel. I'm interested in minimum function. Formula is equal MIN and then select those values, which is the answer would be 2. You can see the answer is 2. Now similarly, if you are interested to find out the largest value, but there is a condition that you want to find out the second highest value or third highest value in the given data. For example, you are interested to reward your sales team on the basis of their sale volume. So you want to reward the first 3. So in this case, in this example, we have 3 value, 10, 20 and 2, and the condition is that I'm interested in the largest value but the second largest value. In this case the most largest value is 20 while the second largest value is 10. For this purpose I will write a formula equal large and then select the range and then comma. After comma I am giving the condition that is the 2. So it will display the second largest value in the given range, which is equal to 10. So the difference between the maximum and the large is that maximum value doesn't give you the option of the second largest, third largest. So let's do the large function. So equal LARGE, and now first select the select the values, and then I'm pressing comma, and now the condition is 2. I'm clicking on 2. Now this is the it will show me the second largest value. So the second largest value in this observation is of course a 10. So when I click it, the answer is 10. You can see the difference between the large and maximum. It showed the second largest value. Similarly, if you are interested in the first largest value, you can write here 1 and this first largest value is 20. And similarly, if you are interested in the third largest value, which is of course equal to 2. So sorry, the third largest value I have to write here 3. The third largest value is 2. Hope you got the point. Now let's find out let's work on another function, that is what we call it small. So again, small is a different from a minimum. In a case of minimum function, it shows the most minimum value, while in small function it allows you that you can even see the third smallest value in the given range, or the second smallest value, or the fourth or the fifth or the 10th, whichever you are interested. In this example, I am interested to find out the smallest value but the third smallest value.